that's kind of dipping your toe in. When we talk about being AI first, when we talk about operationalizing AI, you have to look at the entire system and essentially redesign the entire organization from the ground up with AI in mind. Ironically, what that means is building AI last. The worst thing that you can do is automate with an agent a bad process. So AI first really means essentially redesigning your organization and simplifying it and doing and making it the most efficient, and then adding agentic programming and an AI platform on top of that.
So essentially, then what it means is that you take roles in the organization, you map them to some sort of prompts that replace that role, and then you kind of try to connect it to the broader ecosystem of an organization. So if you have like a triage, an ATSM agent, or like I don't know, a salesperson that needs a contract, you connect all these things, and then you make them utilize AI, and you make them do that first before they do anything else. Or
No,
is this a correct?
no, that's essentially what you need to do is look at how things currently work in your organization, and then before you apply AI, make the process more efficient. So if you talk about a sales process, right, you have to make the process more efficient. You have to subtract all of the BS out of your processes. You have to rethink and redesign how that process works. And then once you've taken all the BS out, now it's a good time to automate. You don't want to automate what you're currently doing. You want to automate what you should be doing. And to understand what you should be doing, you need to understand how your organization does stuff. You have to understand how you serve your customers. You have to understand how you serve your employees, how you talk to customers first before you start automating. It's harder than just simply asking a prompt engineer to draft a prompt on how to automate something. It's a lot more complicated than that.
It makes sense. So you have like your as is, then you have your to be. I understand what the to be is, and the to be needs to be AI focused, and that's how you redefine an organization. So you go away from this kind of like the old way of doing, because unless you transform, you're not able to utilize AI properly or be an AI first organization. Is that what you're trying to kind
Yeah,
of
exactly right. Are you gonna use AI to do what you're currently crappy at doing? Right? Are you,
that's
every organization has bureaucratic systems in place and processes in place. AI allows you to unravel that and really truly think about design thinking your way through your processes and your products and your customers.